To pay with PayPal on Nintendo Switch. Start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet. Go to the Nintendo eShop and select the item you want to purchase. Once you have selected your item, choose the purchase options and then select PayPal as your payment method. You will be prompted to sign in to your PayPal account. Enter your email address and password to log in. If you do not have a PayPal account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once you have logged in, review the payment details to ensure everything is correct. Select the payment method you want to use with your PayPal account, such as a credit card or bank account. Confirm the payment and wait for the transaction to process. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment has been successful. It is essential to note that you must have a PayPal account that is verified and linked to a payment method to complete the transaction. Additionally, ensure that your Nintendo Switch and PayPal account are set to the same region to avoid any issues with the transaction. To avoid any potential issues, make sure to keep your PayPal account and Nintendo Switch account information up to date. Regularly review your account activity and transaction history to ensure everything is correct. By following these steps, you can easily pay with PayPal on your Nintendo Switch. This method provides a convenient and secure way to make purchases on the Nintendo eShop. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to ensure a smooth transaction process.